Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your Honda Accord radio. First, let's start with some basic checks. Look at your radio display for any power indicators or error codes. This can give us a clue. Also, confirm your car battery is in good health and securely connected, as low power can cause issues. Finally, make sure you've entered the correct anti-theft code if your radio requires one after a power interruption. These initial steps often resolve common problems quickly. Next, we'll focus on power delivery. Your Honda Accord has a dedicated fuse for the radio, usually found in the underdash fuse box. Carefully locate and inspect this fuse. If it's blown, replace it with a new one of the exact same amperage, typically 10 or 15 amps. Also, take a moment to check the main wiring harness behind the radio for any loose or corroded connections, as these can interrupt power flow. Now, let's look at the wiring and antenna. A common issue is a disconnected or damaged antenna cable, which can lead to poor reception or no sound. Gently check the antenna connection at the back of the radio unit. Also, confirm that all other wiring harnesses are firmly seated. Sometimes, simply reseating these connections can restore full functionality. If you have an auxiliary input, try testing it to see if the audio system itself is working. Finally, if the problem persists, you might try a factory reset of the radio unit if your model offers that feature. This can often clear software glitches. If you've tried everything and the radio still isn't working, it might be time to consult a certified automotive technician. They have specialized tools for diagnosing electrical issues. In some cases, especially with older units, replacing the entire radio might be the most straightforward and cost-effective solution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.